Do you know where they got the rest of those Gatorades? They said I got corona. What am I supposed to get? Can you help me out?
I don't know.
Could you pray for me? Can we hold hands? They said I got corona. You'll get it if you touch me. It's contagious.
Don't be rude,
Okay,
man.
but listen. No, but listen. It's just like, I don't know. It's not that bad.
Get on, man.
Oh, no.
Let me pulling my leg.
No, listen. I got corona, but listen. I don't think you can get it that fast. Can we just pray for me, please?
I'll do that, but you got.
Yeah, can you hold my hand while we pray?
No, we ain't.
Why not?
You just got this thing.
No, listen. You lived a good life. How old are you?
29.
You ain't 29. You been here for a minute. You good. You lived your life. You got to see everything.
Yeah, that's right, man.
Yeah. All right, man.
Out of this world, man.
Okay. Watch this. Excuse me. Hold on. Hey, yo. Hey. Tell myself what's... You know,
Excuse me.
no, they said I got corona. What are you supposed to get?
Oh, come on. I don't know. You make pharmacy is closed, so.
I don't know. What's the best thing to get if you can help me out?
I'm not for sure, sir. I guess that's anything up there. These here.
What is it? What is that?
These Tylenols here.
Is that if you say a prayer with me if y'all can? If y'all... Nobody want to say a prayer?